Have you ever delivered exactly what the client asked for, and they still weren't impressed? Meanwhile, another freelancer seems to delight clients with the smallest extra touches. Why does that happen? Lean Six Sigma has a simple tool that explains this. It's called the Kano Model. Many freelancers believe that if they meet all the client's requirements, the client will automatically be happy. Unfortunately, that's not how people work. Some things are simply expected, others create satisfaction, and a few can completely surprise and delight your clients. If you don't know the difference, you may spend hours working on features your client doesn't even care about. The Kano model groups customer needs into three simple categories. First are basic needs. These are things the client expects. For example, if you're a graphic designer, delivering the file on time. If you're a virtual assistant, replying professionally. Nobody praises you for these. But if you fail, clients become unhappy immediately. Second are performance needs. These are things where the better you perform, the happier the client becomes. For example, faster turnaround, better communication, fewer revisions. The better you do, the more value your client sees. Finally, there are delighters. These are the unexpected extras. Imagine sending a Loom video explaining your design decisions, including a one-page guide the client can use, or giving two alternative layouts instead of one. The client never asked for these, but they're the things they'll remember. Example, let's say two freelancers both build the same website. Freelancer A delivers exactly what was requested, nothing more. Freelancer B delivers the website, plus a short video showing how to update the content. The website is the expected requirement. The tutorial video is the delighter? Guess which freelancer gets referred more often? Key takeaway. Don't spend all your time trying to impress clients with random extras. First, make sure the basics are always covered. Then improve the things clients actually value. Finally, add one thoughtful surprise. That's how you create loyal clients instead of one-time projects. If you're enjoying this playlist, make sure you subscribe, because every episode introduces one Lean Six Sigma tool that solves a real problem freelancers and remote workers face. If you'd like a quick reference on which Lean Six Sigma tool to use for different situations, check out my Lean Six Sigma Tools for Different Situations ebook. It's just $2, and the link is in the description. And if you're ready to master these tools and apply them confidently in your own work, join my Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt for Freelancers program. You'll get lifetime access, downloadable templates, practical exercises, and monthly live coaching calls where we work through real business scenarios together. Next up, we'll look at one of the biggest reasons projects take longer than they should, and how identifying the 8 ways can help you work faster without working harder.